Hurry, save my windshield! Hurry, move it! No! No, move forward! Move forward! Move forward! Go that way! No! Go that way! That way! Go under the tree! Go under the tree! Go back and go under the tree! Move the car under the tree! Move the car under the tree! Move it!
What?
Move the car underneath the tree! I really hope a tornado ain't coming. Yeah, under, go under, go under. All the way. Oh my God. Hurry up! I think we should probably get in the shelter, Michael. Hurry up! I'm fucking scared. Oh my God! Look at that hail. Come on! What did the weatherman say?
I don't know.
Is the tornado coming?
I heard the weatherman talking. I was going to put it by the house, Yolanda.
No, the tree blocks the hail more. Look, you barely hit the windshield now. Come on, let's go get in the shelter just in case.
Shelter.
Come on, we gotta go get in the
I
closet.
don't have a shelter, nigga.
Okay, well, I don't want to be on the by the windows by the time the tornado comes.